Hello friends, welcome to Colon channel. Today we will make a simple random password generator in JavaScript. So what should a strong password consist of? Password should at least 12 characters long. Must contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and special symbols. Password must be random and unique. Let's make a function quickly. Define random password generator function with length of random password parameter. Make a string variable from which random character will be chosen. Make a variable to store random password. Use math.random function to generate a number between 0 and 1. Multiply the result with the length of string from which the character will be chosen. Float the result to get a random index. Get the character from the string at resultant random index. Append the resultant character to random password variable. Repeat the process length of password times. Return the random password. Use console.log to print result.